Hi, my fellow entrepreneurs. If you are planning to start a TikTok channel and you don't want to show your face, you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple and highly engaging niches for TikTok that you can get millions of views within several weeks. The crazy thing is not only for TikTok, you can apply this same method for the same videos to a new YouTube short channel. Creating videos for these 3 niches is super easy with this new AI tool. So, without further ado, let's start the video. The first niche is called the brain teaser niche. I'm 100% sure that you have seen videos like this on TikTok. This channel has gained 15,000 followers within a very short period of time with this new niche. The reason why this niche can go viral easily is most of the time, when someone comes across a video like this, they want to test themselves. Therefore, they are going to watch these videos till the end. When the watch time increases, TikTok algorithm starts to push the video more to new audiences. That's why these videos are going viral. I found an AI tool that can create videos for this brain teaser niche without effort. This tool is called vsub.io. It's an AI video generator that has been designed to create videos for specific niches such as brain teaser niche, quiz niche, and would you rather niche. Let's see how you can use this AI tool to create videos for this brain teaser niche. First, you need to select this brain teaser niche from this niche list. You can select any language from this list. I'm gonna go with English. Now, here is the amazing part. You can select any cartoon or movie from this list. As an example, if you select Rick and Morty from this list, your video will have these characters and their voices. For this example video, I'm gonna select the politicians option. Since the USA election is near, we can go viral easily if you use these political characters. After that, select this template and click the continue option. Now, you will come to this page. I'm gonna select this add comment option, and then you can select a character from this menu. I have selected Donald Trump, and you can select any image from these. Since this is the starting point of the video, you need to add something that can grab the viewer's attention or something funny. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna win the election this year, then click this generate voice and save option. Now, I'm gonna add another comment. This time, I'm gonna select Kamala Harris as the character, and let's type, "Are you sure about that?" Then, I'm gonna add the first question. Let's add this. Avoid saying the same answer. Name a country starting with the letter A. Now, for the spoken answer part, I'm gonna add, "If you thought about Argentina, you are wrong." And for the displayed answer option, let's add Argentina. Now, if you add this side comment option, you will be able to add some sentences in between the question and answer. For this, I'm gonna select Kamala Harris's character, and I will add a side comment like this. If you want, you can add any sound effects to this. You just need to upload any sound effect you prefer here. And now, let's see the output.
I'm gonna win the election this year.
Are you sure about that?
Avoid saying the same answer. Name a country start with letter A.
Don't say Afghanistan.
If you thought about Argentina, you are wrong.
Now, you can add like 6 questions for this. If you can't create this type of questions by yourselves, you can always use ChatGPT for that. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate 10 questions like this. Perfect. Now, just like we did before, copy these questions and answers. So, I copied those questions to this video. If you go to these settings, you will be able to edit the voice settings such as volume and tone of the voice. If you want to change the colors of the levels, you can edit that as well. It's super easy. Now, if you go to this timer option, you can select different timer sounds as well. Now, if you want to change the background video, go to the video from this top menu, and you can upload your own video clip as a background video. And if you want to add your own background music, go to the music from this top menu and upload your desired music here. After all of these processes are done, click this subtitle option to generate the subtitles. Now go to this style. You can customize the subtitles using these settings, or you can just go to this template and select a pre-made subtitle template for your video. And that's all. You can download this video. Let's take a look at the final output.
I'm gonna win the election this year.
Are you sure about that?
Avoid saying the same answer. Name a country start with letter A.
Don't say Afghanistan.
If you thought about Argentina, you are wrong. Guess a color that starts with the letter R.
Not the red.
If you say red, you are a loser. Guess a fruit that starts with the letter M.
Say orange.
You said mango, right? Bye, loser. Guess an animal that starts with the letter L. The king of the jungle. If you say lion, you have to go. Guess a capital city that starts with the letter C.
This is the last one.
If you say Chicago,
This is perfect. So you can use vsub.io to create a video like that. Now, let's go to the second niche. The next best faceless niche for TikTok is the fake Reddit stories niche. This TikTok page was created recently, and it has gained over 48,000 followers just by posting fake Reddit stories. You might think that these stories are real, but the truth is, all of these stories are made-up stories with a good hook.
My brother and his wife forbade me from attending their party in the house I helped them buy. I raised my stepdaughter for 22 years, and as her wedding day approached, she asked her biological father, who had been absent for most of her life. I discovered that my mother was cheating on my father with his best friend.
Did you see those hooks? Those hooks are very strong, and they can easily grab the viewer's attention. I'm going to show you a unique way to convert these Reddit stories into stunning videos. Just follow these exact steps I'm about to show you. First, we need to go to Reddit and find a good and interesting story. Once you find such a story, read it first and create a good hook. I found this story from Reddit, and let's copy it. And I have created this hook for this story as well. Now, let's go to vsub.io. Again, we are not going to create just a story with a gaming background video. We are going to visually represent this story. For that, select this AI video option. Now, from here, select your preferred language, and then select any style of this template. I think this comic-looking style would be suitable for this story. Then I'm going to paste the story that we just copied to here, and then let's click this continue button. It will take several minutes to complete the video. After that, if you want, you can change the subtitle style like we did before. I'm going to select this subtitle style, and let's see the final output.
My girlfriend want an open relationship. I'm a 25-year-old male. Very early on in the relationship with my girlfriend, 25-year-old female, she told me that she had to be in an open relationship. I hadn't been in one before, but I said I'll give it a try. And it was clear when we talked about it that either of us could sleep with whoever we wanted. I said okay. We've been dating for 11 months, and over time I really started to love her. I know she has quite a few very casual partners, but no other serious relationships. I actually didn't have any other partners, though, because I was so happy just being with her. Then 2 months ago, I was drunk, and I met a girl at a party, and we slept together.
This is really good. Let me give you a tip. When you are posting videos for this niche, don't post the whole video at once. Post it part by part. Then, your viewers will follow you and check your whole page to find the next part of the video. Let's move on to the third niche. I'm going to call this niche Self-Improvement Niche. The best example page for this niche is this one. They have gained more than 696,000 followers with these videos. Half of their videos have not thousands, but millions of views. So, let's see how you can create videos for this niche. The first step is to create a script for this video. I have created this specific prompt that you can use in ChatGPT to generate a video script for this niche. All you need to do is copy it and change the topic of the video, and it will generate the video script within seconds. So, as you can see here, we have the script for this video. Now, the next step is to generate voiceovers. For this example, I'm going to use 11 Labs. When selecting the voice for your videos, use the same voice for all videos on your channel. Therefore, you need to select a good voice for it. Especially this voice should be inspiring. Go to the voices and select Voice Library. Select Narrate and Story or Social Media. Then this AI will show you suitable voices for this. Check all the voices and select a perfect voice from these. Then copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. After that, we need to find several stock videos. Pexels.com is one of the best websites to download such stock videos. What I love about this website is this is 100% free. You can download videos related to motivation, hardworking, and luxury lifestyles. Those types of video clips are suitable for this video. So, download as many as videos you want from this website. Then, we need to find suitable background music. I would recommend you guys use the YouTube library for that. This is really easy. You don't need to worry about copyright issues or giving credit to the creator. And all the soundtracks are free. After that, we need to edit the final output. You can use any video editor that you are familiar with. I'm going to use CapCut for this process. It's a free and beginner-friendly video editor that you can use to edit your videos. Once you download the CapCut, open it and start a new project. This is a short video. Therefore, make sure to click this Modify button and select 9:16 ratio. Then, click this Import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voice over to the timeline like this. If there are long, unnecessary silent parts in these voiceovers, make sure to remove those. Once you are done with that process, add the videos that we download to the timeline, try to match the videos with voiceovers. One of the ways to make this video more attractive is to add transitions in between clips. So, go to transition from this top menu and let's add some transitions. But make sure to add a smooth transition in between all the clips. Don't add fancy transitions. It's not suitable for this niche. After you add all the transitions, go to this adjustment option from the top menu and drag this custom adjustment layer to the timeline like this. You can expand this layer to cover the whole sequence like this. Then, if you go to this side menu, you can edit the colors of this video. By using these colored bars, you can edit the color tone of the video. And using these options, you can basically change anything. You can darker the video and make it more vintage looking. For this video, I'm gonna make it darker like this. If you go to this curves option, you can edit the overall brightness of this video like this. So play with these and make it more authentic. It's completely up to you. After that, we need to add captions for this video. Go to text from this top menu, select auto captions, and click this generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. We can't use these boring captions like this. We must edit these to make this video to next level. Let's bring all the captions to the middle of the video. Let's make all the letters capital, and we need to add an elegant font for this. I think this font would be suitable for this. Then, if you go to these effects, there are hundreds of effects here. You can add a suitable effect from these. Instead of using steady caption, I think it would be better if we add some animations to those. Now, select all the captions and go to animations, and select this caption option. You can add a good caption animation from here. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. Don't make the sound of background music higher. If you do that, no one will watch your videos. You should give priority to the voiceovers. After that, the video is completed.
Once there was a young man named Alex who dreamed of becoming rich. Fresh out of college, he started a business with big hopes and little experience. Alex believed success would come quickly, but soon his business failed. He made mistakes. He trusted the wrong people, spent too much on things that didn't matter, and rushed decisions without thinking them through. Defeated, Alex felt like giving up. But instead of dwelling on his failures, he began to see them as lessons. Each mistake taught him something valuable. He learned to research before making big decisions, surround himself with honest people, and take small, steady steps rather than leaps of faith. A few years later, Alex started a new business. This time he was patient, cautious, and wiser. Though challenges still came, he handled them better, and his business slowly grew.
Now, this is perfect. With that, today's video has come to an end, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.